Most people feel anxious about money. You check your bank account, watch prices move up and down, and quietly wonder if you're already too late. When you invest from paychecks instead of big sums, progress feels slow, uncertain, and frustrating. Social media tells you wealth should be fast, exciting, and perfectly timed. You're taught to chase hype instead of building habits, and speed instead of discipline. Most people don't lose money because they're stupid, they lose it because they rush. Doing nothing feels safe at first. But inflation quietly eats your savings while years slip by without real change. One day you don't feel panic, you feel regret, and regret is expensive. What if the biggest reason you're not wealthy isn't your income, but how you think about money? I'm Max, and this is the Max Focus channel where we help you rewire your mind and redesign your life. This video is for education only, so subscribe now, because today you'll learn mindset shifts that quietly build real wealth over time. Most people think investing is about excitement, speed, and big wins. But real investing is quiet, boring, and disciplined. This mindset shift alone can completely change your financial future. Investing isn't about hitting jackpots, it's about showing up consistently. Just $100 a month becomes $1,200 a year, and over decades that discipline compounds. Time rewards patience far more than luck ever could. When you treat investing like a casino, emotions take over. Fear makes you sell low, and excitement makes you buy high. As Warren Buffett reminds us, money moves from the impatient to the patient, just like fitness habits win over time. The market moves up and down every day, but most losses don't come from numbers. They come from emotions. Fear, panic, and excitement push people to make decisions they later regret. Smart investors learn to stay calm when everything feels uncertain. When prices fall 20%, panic selling turns a temporary drop into a permanent loss. The market can recover, but only if you're still invested. Emotional reactions lock in mistakes that patience could have avoided. Investing isn't about being perfect, it's about being protected. The smartest investors always leave room for mistakes because reality never goes exactly as planned. This mindset alone can save you from your biggest losses. Buying when everyone feels excited and selling when everyone feels scared is how most people lose money. The real edge isn't predicting the market, it's controlling yourself. As Peter Lynch said, the key is not getting scared out of good investments. Imagine buying something worth $100 for only $70. Even if you're wrong, you have a cushion protecting you from disaster. That cushion is what turns mistakes into lessons instead of regrets. Overconfidence is dangerous, especially when you chase perfect opportunities. As Charlie Munger wisely said, the first rule is don't lose money. Margin of safety is like a seatbelt. You don't plan to crash, but you're ready if you do. Most people think you need to be smart to build wealth, but that's not the truth. The real advantage comes from showing up consistently, even when progress feels slow. Patience quietly beats intelligence over time, especially in investing. Small monthly investments may look boring, but over decades they quietly outperform rushed big bets. Compounding rewards those who stay invested, not those who chase excitement. As Albert Einstein said, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. The biggest mistake investors make is constantly switching strategies and chasing trends. That behavior creates stress, not wealth. Long-term investing isn't about excitement, it's about freedom, clarity, and peace of mind. Investing is not about excitement or prediction. It's about discipline, emotional control, and patience. When you stop chasing the market and start following principles, wealth becomes calm, steady, and inevitable. You don't need forecasts, you need foundations that last. If this video helped you, support the channel. Like it, subscribe for mindset-based money wisdom, and share it with someone who feels stuck. And tell me, what part of investing stresses you out the most? Your comment could help someone else feel less alone. This is the Max Focus channel. Remember, rewire your mind, redesign your life. Thanks for spending these minutes investing in yourself. I'll see you in the next one.